this one. And this is the whole processing line, about 12 tons per batch. And for 12 tons per batch, they have 6 whole processing line. For one processing line, they need around the 300 square meters. For the places, they need 300 square meters. First, we're using a truck to catch those with the terrace. And this is our automatic feeders. Because this one have 15 tons, the 100 leg pressure, which will compress the terrace. They will squeeze the terrace into the small pieces. In this way, the space in the reactor will be fully utilized, so that the operation effectively of the whole equipment will be improved, and the oil yield will also be increased. Meanwhile, it also saves manpower and time. If the materials to feed manually it needs for works. Hello, our new friends WS. Welcome to our live stream. Welcome our Chinese friends. Any question you can put into the comment area, and also we answer your question. I will mainly immediately to answer your question. And also, meanwhile, it also saves manpower and times. If the materials are fed manually, it needs to 4 works and it needs to take 4 to 5 hours. But if you're using the automatic feeders, it only needs 1 or 2 hours. So the 15 tons 100 leg pressure is very useful. And also for these pressures, they can use it for a long time. It's not only using for one whole processing line. You can, after you finish one processing line, you will start the next one. So it will help us to save the time. Also, if you have the large factory, it will help you to save the places and also save money. Hello, Derwick. Welcome, Derwick. Mahendra, welcome to our live stream. And also for this part, this is our reactor. Everyone, you have to know, our reactor is a very important part. As we all know, the pyrolysis is meaning 2 parts. If you want to get some pyrolysis oils from the raw materials with the terrace, you need to mention 2 parts. The first one is we have to mention the waste terrace. It need to heat in the high temperature. So they will get the oil gas. After that, the oil gas will be cooling. Become the pyrolysis oils. So that is the other important part here. This is the liner. This is the insulation covers as well. So for our equipment, it's mainly separated 2 parts. The first part is for the inside liners. For the liners, we can using the different materials, such as you can using the materials like the stainless. Also, you can using the steel plate. But these two have the different life. Hi, Corfu. Welcome, Burial. Welcome, Burial. Guys, if you want to know more details about our equipment, you can leave your WhatsApp numbers or email to our customer service. And also, our customer service will arrange a professional sales manager, so you will know more about our company. Welcome Lee, welcome our Chinese friends. During this live stream, guys, if you do have any question, Hi Frank Ching, welcome to our live stream. I would like to introduce more details for you, but if you do have any question, please leave your WhatsApp numbers or your email, so our professional manager will connect with you immediately. And by the way, this is doing holding company. We already have 13 years experience. In the back of the 3D videos is our company very popular machines. It's called the bathtub pyrolysis machine. Those machines you can deal with the raw materials such as the waste terrace, also for the waste plastic, also for some oil sludge, the solid sludge we can deal with. So if you do have those kind of materials, you can put your connect numbers in the comment area. Yeah, just now we said about the liner. For the liner, we have to use it like the steel plate, also for using some stainless. But for the steel plate, you can using two materials. One is the Q245R, one is the 345R. This is the two kind of materials about the steel plate. And also we have another one called the stainless. For the stainless, we have the 304, 310, 316. Three kind of the materials for the stainless. And also, if you have some special orders, we will follow your orders to have mentioned a lot of the equipments. Alright, let me still continue introduce this part. And also for the insulation covers, we have the steel plate, and also we have the refractory cement, and also for the rock wool here. It will prevent the temperature outside. Just make sure the inside the liner temperature is the moderate. This is our buffer chamber. Also, we can call it the buffer tank. This is the one is reduce the oil gas. Just make sure the oil gas cannot flow so frequently. Make sure we can cooling the oil gas very well. Also, it will help us to increase the oil yield here. Welcome new friends. If you guys do have any question, just put your question into the comment area. Hello Audrey, welcome Audrey, welcome to our live stream. Any question guys you can put into the comment area. And also for this whole processing line, any question you can put into the comment area. And note for our YouTube friends, this time you cannot find the 3D videos, but it doesn't matter. You can connect with us. We can send you the 3D videos and also for the more details for you. Let's continue. This is a buffer chambers, very important part as well. And also after the buffer chambers, we have a lot of the things. The oil gas will enter the buffer tank, take after the coming out the reactor. When they come out from the reactor, they will go into the buffer tank, And also for the function of the buffer tank is to reduce the flow speed of the oil gas under the high temperature. If in the reactor we have the high temperature, it's supposed we have a lot of the oil gas will be come out. So the buffer tank is just reduce the flow speed. And also the faster flowing gas will not have enough time to connect with the cooling waters, so resulting in the insufficient cooling and reduce the oil yield. In addition, it has the function of the purification oil gas, filter a small amount of the oil residue and also for the carbon black dust in the oil gas. So the buffer chambers is a very important part here. And this is our first cooling part. We can call it vertical condensers. Hello new friends, hello guys. Any question can put into the comment area. When I say it, I will immediately to answer your question. This is our vertical condensers. This is also our first cooling system. For these things, we have 4 condensing units, totally 7 condensers. This is the first 2. After the declared oil gas come out the buffer tank, they will go into the first condensing device to vertical condenser, just these 2. Each vertical condensers have the 108 condenser tubes surrounded by the condenser waters. You will see. This is the 4 tubes. The oil gas will be flow from the top until the end here. Outside is our recycling waters. Inside was the oil gas. Hello new friends, hello our Indian friends. Hello Kunjar Kate. This is the oil gas here. And when we connect with the vertical condensers, they have the oil tank, the big oil tank here. So in here, I have to say we have very smart technical team, because outside the oil tank, they also have the recycling waters. Just make sure those kind of the oils will be cooling very well when we're using the pump to pull out the oils to the big tank. Also, we can using the tank here. We can use it for a long time. After the 2 vertical condensers, this is our oil-water separator. Also, it's a safety device. This also is very important part for the oil-water separator. This is they have the safety device to prevent the oil gas flow back. This is a very important part, because when the temperature was very high, the oil gas will be flow back to the reactor. There is the certain amount of the waters in the oil water separators, which is the water say the internal oil pipes is directly connect with the water surface to prevent the oil gas flow back. So this is a very important part to prevent the oil gas flow back. And also, the temperature of the reactor is something unstable, and the pressure difference, that is the small or the big, will be caused when it suddenly decreases. At this time, if there is no water say, the oil gas may be directly sucked back. With the water say, the oil gas are on the water surface, even if there is. Hello new friends, hello, welcome to our live stream. Any question put into the comment area, honey. I will answer your question immediately. And also for our YouTube friends, this is Doing Holding Companies. Our company is the environmental company to deal with some waste tariffs, waste plastic, and also for some oil sludge. If you are interested, please leave your WhatsApp numbers or email. So our customer service will connect with you immediately. Thanks for your support. Please leave your WhatsApp numbers or email. Just help us. And also, it will float on the water surface and flow along the pipe of the oil tank connect with the oil water separators. And also for a small amount of the water vapor in the oil gas will be condensers into the waters and the leaves and condensers after passing through the oil water separators. You will see the oil gas will be flowed into under the waters, so they will connect the water sea. When the oil gas after the water sea is cannot be flowed back to our equipment. And also for the water sea, it connect with the oil tank as well here. After that, they have the horizontal condensers. This is a horizontal condensers. For the horizontal condensers, they have the 37 pumps. And also, after the 19% oil has been cooling down in the horizontal condensers. For each two base, they have the recycling waters. They have the recycling waters, so which generally increase the connect area between the oil gas and the condenser waters. Moreover, oil gas will be passed through two such tubular condensers. So the condensing effective this one is will be increased from this part as well. So for the horizontal condenser, this one will be cooling to 19% oils. And also, due to the control of the fires, you will see the oils will be flowed down here. And also, this is our last oil dust condenser towers. Also, we can call it the cooling towers. This why we have the setting these towers here. Due to the control of the high fire temperatures, the fire is too strong, which lead to the oil gas flow too fast without the sufficient cooling. A small part of the oil gas will not be condensers, so we have set up condenser towers. The oil gas will be flow from the bottom until the top. You will see this one. Flew from the bottom until the top. Hi, our Sammy. Welcome, Sammy, our EG friends. I hope that is your WhatsApp number 300591891. But I think that is not your WhatsApp numbers. If you can leave your WhatsApp numbers, that will be good news for us. But it's many important things. We hope you will interested about our equipment here. So otherwise, we can give you a very, very professional introduction here. Hi DT, our friends, welcome to our live stream. This is the last condenser things. So for this whole processing line, we have the hi Erin, welcome Erin to our live stream. Thanks for your question. Let me have a yes. We are introduce this one for you. No problem. Thanks for your likes, honey. Thanks for your likes. And also for this with the terry plastic fuel oils. This is the machines I just introduced. I will put myself down, so just make sure you will see it clearly. And I just mentioned the last step. This is the cooling part, and also the cooling towers is connect with the water seats. The other water seat is right here, and the water seat is connect with the auto removal system. This is our company patent. This is our professional technicals. And also for this whole processing line, let me still introduce. You will see. Until now, the oil gas that will be cooling into the oils, which has been condenser into the oils, and also remaining small amount of the tail gas that cannot be condenser passed through the water seat and to prevent the tail gas. So after that, they have the tail gas here. Hello, ME. Welcome our new friends. This is doing holding company just mentioned about the equipment, about the pyrolysis machines. Hello, ME. If you're interested, you can connect with our customer service, so they will introduce more details here for you. And also, same as our YouTube friends, hope you will leave your WhatsApp numbers or email to us. So we will send you more details about our equipment here, alright? And also, this is our company special designs, and also only our company have this one. For this one, they will remove some bad smell, such as mainly to remove the hydrogen, sulfate, and other odor in the tail gas. The tail gas flows through the buffer tank and reduce the flow rate. Also, the first part is the buffer tank. We will reduce the flow speed. After that, the tail gas will pass through the water seat to prevent the straight tail gas flow back. And then the valves is open to introduce the tail gas into the beatings. Hi, Kintry, Bevy, we in France. Hello. Welcome to our live stream, honey. And also for the tail gas passes through the two desulfurization towers. There are two layers of the professional packing, and high pressure nozzles is one desulfurization towers. The tail gas is depressed through the professional packing, and the high pressure. Hi Gio, our Chinese friends, hello. Packing and the high pressure nozzle spray water of the maintenance contain the catalyst. You will see it will be have some waters contain the catalyst will be sprayed out. It's right here. This is a buffer tank. Same as the other buffer tank, reduce the tail gas speed. And after that, we only have the uncondensable oil gas. That gas will be have the can be have to as a fuel oils to heat our reactor. This is two towers. We will put some catalyst into those tank. So when the pump to pull some waters, they will spray some waters into the gas, and they will have some connection with this gas, and will remove some hydrogen disulfide of that. So there are two layers of the professional packing and high temperature nozzles in one desulfurization towers. The tail gas is dispersed through the professional packing, and the high pressure nozzle spray water mixed contain the catalyst is fully combined with the tail gas. So this is a great the designs for us, and also for the factory who product some waste towers, who deal with the waste plastic. They like to choose these machines. After passing through the desulfurization towers, it can be directly discharged, and the plant basically has no peculiar smell. So after that, they don't have some bad smell here. Hello, Aglo. Hello, Bill. Welcome, Bella. Are you Bella? Are you Rifata? Hello, hello. Don't be shy, guys. Don't be shy. Just using any way it will be help you to get any informations. Just put your WhatsApp numbers or your email for your equipment here. Hello, Terry Young, our Japanese friends. Thanks for your likes, honey. Thanks for your likes. Okay, let's continue. This is the desulfurization towers. It's only to remove some bad smell, hydrogen disulfide, and also for other smell. After that, it will be have no dioxide smell, and also this gas we will as the tail gas until put it into our burners, and also as a fuel oils to heat our reactor. You will see this is a burners, and also this is the liner's reactor. It will be heated. And also for those kind of the tail gas, it's gonna be using for a long time, and also for this tail gas it will be help the reactor work very properly. This is our desulfurization towers. These towers also is help us to remove some bad smell, and also help us to deal with some other smells. After that, we just make sure the tail gas go into the airs, or the smoke go into the airs. They didn't have some uh, bad things for the atmospheres. So for this one, it's just help us to help us to protect the atmospheres. These machines, you will see. And also for the three waters, they have some catalyst. This catalyst will remove some smoke from these things. After that, we can put those airs into the atmospheres, and also they didn't have some bad pollutions. Hello, our YouTube friends. Any question just for me? And also you can put your WhatsApp numbers or email. Please keep in touch with us. And also you will see our WhatsApp numbers under the comment area. So here you can write down about our WhatsApp numbers. Because we are from China, you have to know you need to +86. And also for our WhatsApp numbers is 86135266922320. If you're interested, please keep in touch with us. We are waiting for you. Connect here. Same for our YouTube friends. And also I have to remind you because we have a lot of the factory. We have those equipments to sell a lot of countries, such as McDonald's, and also for the Indian, especially in India. Everybody know before the 2020, the Indian they have a lot of the garbage from outside. So they have a lot of the company to buy our equipment, deal with those kind of garbage, and help us to get some oils. And also for our the other agent, they are from different countries, such as Mexico, and also we have the Mexico picture is right here. They buy six of the whole processing line. This is our Mexico customers. You will see they have those machines, and you will see they have. This is our boss is connect with our Mexico customers. This is the one when they get installations, and also they try to get the refining from our equipment. You will see, guys. So if you're interested, you can check with our customer service if they have the agent in your countries. If they have the talent in your countries, it's better for you because you can go there and check our equipments before you come to China, and also you will make sure more details about those equipments as well. And this is our vacuum device. For the vacuum device also is the safety device. This the vacuum device is will be checked when we check the glass test the cup. Hello new friends, welcome to doing live stream. Welcome, you come here. If any question, just put your question into the comment area. Hope you will connect with us immediately. And this is our vacuum system. When we check the glasses test cup, when there is no condenser oils, we will turn on the pressure vacuum machines. We will turn on these machines. Then the negative pressure vacuum machines is connect with the reactor. One side is connect with the reactor, the other side is connect with the horizontal condensers to prevent a small amount of the oil gas remaining in the reactor from the beginning discharge. If the work directly to open the reactor, there will be have the safety risk. In addition, it can condense the oil gas to the maximal extent and increase the oil yield. So this vacuum device is not only the safety device, it will help us to increase the oil yield at the same time. This is one. And this is the burning room, because when we have some extra tail gas, and also for the tail gas, they cannot combustions. In rare case, the tail gas cannot be used up. So the three tail gas can be certainly burned in and discharged. So for the safety, we suggest you to get this burning room and finish all the tail gas. But if you want to throw it out, it doesn't matter, but it will have some safety risk. Vacuum. And this one, you will see, this is a wind thing. This is our reactor cooling system. This is a wind inlet. This is a first cooling system. And also for this one is gonna be help us to reduce the cooling time for the reactor. Where we need to cooling this reactor. Firstly, because we have to reduce the time of the cooling part. And also for this reactor cooling system, which is composed of induced draft fan. This is induced draft fan and the air inlet, and also for the air outlet. When the reactor need to be cooled, open the air inlet and the 4-inch. This is a 4-inch air bubbles at the lower right through the electric machinery and draft fan the high temperature air and take away by 3,316 degree, and will be wrapped this whole reactor and will be reduce the time of this whole reactor. Sorry guys, sorry. Hi, kind of IT friends. I think we have a lot of the friends from IT. We have a lot of the customers from IT as well. Guys, if you do have any question, please put your question into the comment area. And our equipment is not only to deal with the terrace, we also can deal with the plastic and also for some oil sludge. If you have those kind of materials, please keep in touch with us. Otherwise, if you have some other ideas like, okay, I have a hospital, I want to deal with a hospital the discharge. This one we can help you to discharge the hospital here as well. So any question for me can put into the comment area. This one because we need to open the oven doors and to discharge the carbon black or discharge the steels, because this is the example for the waste terrace. Everybody know that, right? And also let me see. The final product is the pyrolysis oil, and also for the carbon black, also for the steels, and also for some tail gas as a fuels already burned. So the final product actually is the carbon black, steels, and also for the pyrolysis oils. For the pyrolysis oils, different materials, they have the different oil yields. Such as if you have the big truck terrace, the oil yield supposed be the oil retail supposed be 45%, and also for the carbon black is the 13%. For the steels is 15%. So if you have 1 tons for the steel, is you have the 1 tons with the terrace, at least you will get the 415 about the pyrolysis oils. That is very, very high. And a lot of people always ask me, okay, I get those oils, but where I can use it? First, you can use it for the big cargoes, for the big ship, and also for the big machinery like the truck, like the cars, and also for other big machinery you can use it. This is one discharge the carbon black, and also will be transport the wind transport here. This is we discharge the carbon black. Actually, we have three ways to discharge the carbon black. Firstly, you can discharge this carbon black from the beginning, from the front. This way you can discharge from here. And the second one you can from the side. The third one you will from the backpack. If you have the discharge from the forehand, it will be discharged. And also for the reactor, they discharge twice for one turn. So a lot of companies they choose the set discharge. Hi Jocelyn, welcome our fans to our live stream. Welcome Jocelyn. Hi Kano, any question for me, Kono? You will stay here. This is the wind transfer about the carbon black. And also is our last step. As will be collect all the carbon black, and also at the same time we have the porous dust collection. For the porous dust collection, it will be help us to reduce some things. This is the one to grading the carbon black, because in some countries if you grading those materials very slice into the small mesh, it will be in higher price, in the high price here as well. Okay, let me continue. The carbon black also we can make it as a new with the terry, can make it to new with the new terrace, and also we can stick it as a briquetting ball as a fuel oils to heat the reactor. And also for this one they have the kilowatt is more than coal, I think. I'm not sure it's a kilowatt or something, but when you burn it will be get a lot of the things. Hi Daniel Brown, I'm great, thanks for your asking. You're from New Zealand? Yes. Hello Daniel Brown, welcome back to our live stream, honey. You know what? Last time we are waiting for your connect, but actually I asked the customer service. They said, "Oh, they didn't connect us." I think, "Oh, okay, maybe he's still sick." But this time, I'm sorry, Daniel Brown. This time I cannot show you the videos. But if you want to get these videos, we can send it to you. and more information for you. I think they have a lot of the policy in New Zealand. This is the last way we just pull out the steel plate. Everybody you know in the Western terrace, they supposed to be have some steels to get the structures. So for the steel structures for the Western terrace, we also have some steel plate here. And on the top of those steels is the carbon black. And also for this machine is our pull out the steel machines. This machine will be help us to keep the factory clean and also help us to collect the steels here. Hi Aki, welcome Aki. Guys, hi Kano, if you're interested, please connect with us. You are looking for the paper cup machines. I think you're going to the wrong places, but if you're interested about this machine, it doesn't matter. We will introduce that for you. And Daniel Brown, if you're interested, also you can connect with us. If you can see the WhatsApp numbers here, you can connect with us. The number is plus 8613526692320. I think I read a little bit first, right? And the number is 13526692320. Okay, hope you can leave your WhatsApp numbers and connect with us. Okay, guys, any question for me? Any question for me? Because this videos is almost finished. Next time I will show you more videos about our equipments. Otherwise, this live stream will be end after 5 minutes. Okay, after 5 minutes, this live stream will be end because we have a lot of live stream in the futures. And also, if you're interested about our equipment, please leave your WhatsApp numbers or email. Please leave your contact numbers to us. So next time we will send it to you and we will send you more details. We will give you very professional managers. And this is our whole processing line. It's almost finished. The last step, we will pull out all the oils into the big oil tank. You can get these oils as the feed oils. Also, you can get those oils as the whole processing line. And also, you can using it into the big cargos. And also for some other cars, you can use it.